Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miesha, and today I'm going to be doing my nails. I purchased some press-on nails, y'all. I've been seeing everybody rating over these press-ons, so I just felt like it was just time for me to give them a try. I did go to Walmart and I picked up a couple of items, and I got two different types of nails because Walmart was like so droughted. They didn't really have anything to choose from. So I was basically just unsure of which ones I was going to use. And here I'm just showing you guys everything that I purchased. Most of these items came from Walmart or my local dollar store. So yeah, everything was inexpensive. I'm going to go ahead and take this cotton round and put some nail polish remover on it. Now I'm doing this to remove all of the natural oils and prep the nails for the press-ons. So yeah, you just do this so you can just remove all of the natural oils off of your hands. If you are doing this at home, which maybe you are, what am I talking about? Make sure you wash your hands before. Y'all know these germs and everything got going around, so make sure you clean your hands. I just wanted to show y'all my fingers. Really, I'm doing this because I haven't been able to wear nails for a little while because I had got my nails done and I don't know, the products that were used maybe just didn't sit right with my fingernails, and it kind of like gave me like fungus and turned all of my nails a different color. But as you can see, it has grown out a lot, and now I'm just gonna clip all of that off. So if your nails are longer, you can go ahead and clip them down just so they won't show through the press-ons. But this is why I'm clipping mine, just to get all of that nasty stuff off. So I don't know about y'all, but I really underestimated clip-ons. I mean, what am I talking about? I can't talk today. I really underestimated press-on nails. Because when I was younger, I just felt like I really wasn't getting my nails done. My mama didn't want to take me to the nail shop with her every time. And I'm like, I'm not finna put no press-ons on my nails. But really and truly, I think I'm addicted now. But I'm going to go ahead and take this cuticle pusher and we're going to push those cuticles back. Y'all, this is a step that is going to ensure that your nails are going to stay a long time. So don't skip this step. But while we're pushing our cuticles back, if you are new to my channel, welcome sis. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can join the family. And if you are a content creator or you're looking to become a YouTuber, sis, comment down below and let us know what your channel is about. I feel like what better way to promote yourself for YouTube than on YouTube. We're all in this together, and hopefully you gain a subscriber off your girl Miesha. But anyways, jumping back into this video, I'm taking the other end of the cuticle pusher, and this is the remover part. And I'm just taking away all of that excess cuticles that I pushed up, and I'm just removing it out the way, y'all. Please, please be careful when you do this, because I cut myself on my pinky, y'all. I went a little bit too far down. This was really like my first time doing this, and you just gotta be careful, sis. Like, blood was everywhere, and I just I was about to stop this video, but I was like, I'm not gonna let this stop me. Just make sure y'all be careful when y'all do this, okay? Y'all, I took a cotton round and I tried to like take an alcohol pad and clean it all up. And I put some Neosporin on it, but they really hurt it so bad I would not do that again. So I'm gonna take these French nails. I really thought they were so cute in the packaging, but it came with its own glue and its own nail filer. And y'all, these nails just was not working for me. I tried. I don't know what it is with this brand, but like the nail beds was just like so big and the nails were just too short. I just didn't like them, y'all. I just wanted to go ahead and show y'all like what I was trying to do when I was sizing them up, because I just need y'all to know, like, sometimes the nails are not all the same. So make sure what brand you choose is the brand that you're familiar with. But I didn't like these, so I'm just going to put them up and move on. Luckily, I did purchase both packages of the nails in different brands because I just was not feeling the first one. Now, this one, the Kiss brand, it did come with its own glue and a nail pusher and also some little sticky things that you can put on the back of the nails so that you don't have to use the glue like for little kids. And not only did the Kiss brand fit my nail bed much better, they also like have the numbers at the tip of each nail. So when I was sizing them, it made it so much faster and so much easier because all I had to do was size the nail to my fingernail and then like choose the number for the opposite hand. So I started to file my nail with the nail file that I already had, but it really wasn't working for me. So I used the one that came in the Kiss box and it was like really hard. So yeah, that did the job for me. So you want to go ahead and just file your nail down just to further remove all of those natural oils and, you know, get the base really like nice and dry. I don't know the real reason, the technical term to why you file your nails before you put these nails on, but this is just going to ensure that the glue will stick a little bit longer and, you know, your nails are going to last. Y'all, this is not a difficult process, so don't make it any more difficult than it has to be. So I just used a little cotton round and put some more of the nail polish remover on it just so I can have it just to clean away all of the excess glue that I'm going to get, you know, around my nail beds just to have it on hand. And then I started to like put the glue on the actual nail and put it on my nail and then stick the nail on my finger. Now, this is what I recommend y'all don't do. Do not use a lot of glue because it just made it more messy and all of the little white stuff just kept on coming around. I had to keep cleaning my nail. So in the future, when I do this the next time, I'm not going to use so much glue because it really doesn't take a lot for these nails to stick. And if you do all of the steps that we did beforehand, you don't have to worry about them coming up anyways. But as you guys can see, I did not use the glue that came in the nail packaging. I did purchase the Kiss Speed Glue just because I heard that it works better. And yeah, so I'm just going to press these nails down for like 15 to 10 seconds. It doesn't take long for them to dry. And the key thing to making sure that your nails look like they came from the nail salon and that they're going to last, when you're placing the nails onto your nails, you want to push them like a little bit under your cuticle, like push them down up in there. It's gonna make it look like it's growing out your nail, and that's how we get them to look like, you know, you came from the nail shop. The last thing we're going to do to these nails, we're going to file down the tip of the nail because, you know, they always come with those rough edges. So you want to make sure that you file them down. I will be continuing to do my nails with the press-ons. It's going to save so much more money, especially during this pandemic. I hope you guys are sanitizing and staying safe and staying out the way. And hopefully when I return to the store, they have restocked and they have different styles, because if not, we may have to DIY our own. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn your post notification bell on, and comment down below any video ideas that you guys might have for me. I can't wait to see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.